We are out on the PCT on our first backpacking trip of 2021. Well, actually Josh has done one. This is my first backpacking trip of 2021. We're excited. And there's Pilot Rock and Josh! Alright, we are stopped for a snack. I'm having an avocado, and then I brought 3 little teeny pouches. This one has nutritional yeast. It's got some hemp hearts and some salt. Josh, what are you having for a snack?
Well, I'm soaking my beans and got myself a little bar.
Nice.
And I drink some water.
Sweet, sweet. Cool. Walking snack. These are so good. It's just pineapple and chocolate.
That's a good little pit stop.
Josh's pack has a jiggly sound that is driving him nuts. So we're readjusting his backpack.
Hey, you recording this? Ha 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 ha.
This is the second time. Round 2 of readjustment. Is that good, Kyah? And that's where we started, over at Pilot Rock. Sweet! I am having this for dinner. This is my favorite freeze-dried meal that I've found. Really good. I eat a whole one. I know it says it's 2 servings, that's a lie.
This is take 2, by the way.
This is take 2. We did 8.5 miles today. We went from, what is it called? Pilot Rock. We start at Pilot Rock and we are like basically camping in the Hobart Bluff parking lot. We can see it from the tent. It's really glamorous, huh?
Oh yeah.
Anyway, we're getting picked up tomorrow morning at the parking lot, so it's about 7:30 right now. We are in bed. I'm thinking about sleeping. Josh is exhausted. And then we've got Kyah all snuggled up. So, it was a good day.